How can rolling mill managers ensure consistent production quality while reducing operator workload? Until recently, 2 operators had to monitor several widely arranged screens of the roughing mill. Today, with the Central Operation Cockpit, 1 operator oversees the entire process from a single, intuitive interface, with unified control and real-time insights. The transition of the roughing mill pulpit into the Central Operation Cockpit was seamless, completed without a single moment of production loss. Installed beside the finishing mill pulpit, the system was tested in real time. Our digital assistants prioritize events like ski detection, reducing cognitive load and enabling focused operation. By integrating the roughing mill pulpit into the Central Operation Cockpit, we lay the foundation for autonomous rolling. Stepwise commissioning, zero downtime, and operator confidence. This is our standard for risk-free upgrades. And with a modern, intuitive, and ergonomic workspace, operators are empowered to perform at their best.